Hi, I'm Keith Bobrosky. Welcome to another Delta Scientific Quick Tip video. Today I'm here to talk about vehicle barrier maintenance. Many customers, architects, engineers, end users, installers, they all ask our great dedicated sales team and engineering team, how do I maintain this barrier after installation? The quickest answer is think of an automobile, think of your car. What maintenance is required for that? These Delta barriers are generally hydraulically based. This is a hydraulic power unit on my left, and one of our flagship vehicle barriers, the hydraulically operated DSC 501. Just like a car, you're gonna need to oil change every quarter, or they say every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Similar, a vehicle barrier is gonna need oil changes every quarter. If it's incredibly high cycles, where you're throughputting hundreds of cars per day, you may wanna look at doing oil changes and maintenance monthly. Likewise, a lot of a vehicle inspection in a car for maintenance is just a visual inspection. Before you drive that car, most every day you're doing a quick visual check to look for any leaks, any parts that might be loose, any rust, any loose bolts. Those are things that you're gonna be just visually looking at your vehicle barrier system daily. Likewise, at that quarterly or monthly maintenance, you're gonna be lubricating points just like you would when you grease the joints of a car. There's Zerk fittings or there's lubrication points that are called out in your Delta Scientific Owner's Manual. You'll be lubricating those. You'll be looking for leaks or cracks in your hoses. You'll be looking for loose points. You'll be tightening up bolts because just like a vehicle, these vibrate when they go up and down and they EFO very quickly. You're gonna be tightening bolts. You're gonna be checking torque specs. You're gonna be lubricating moving points. You're gonna be changing your hydraulic fluid, and you're gonna be doing a general overview of the corrosion of that system. If you have a system that's in an environment where there's road salts commonly used, or snow plows are commonly going over that vehicle barrier and scraping some of the paint off, you're gonna wanna touch up the paint to keep that vehicle barrier from rusting. Just like you wouldn't let your car scratch corrode, you would touch it up with some paint. Again, contact Delta Scientific for more information, or more importantly, look at the O&M manual that comes with your vehicle barrier to go step by step on what maintenance is required, whether it be daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. It's all spelled out in your O&M manual, and you can always contact the professionals at Delta Scientific to give you far more detailed information. But this is just a quick overview to answer that question of how do I maintain my system after the fact? The quick answer is it's very simple. Think of a car, maintain it like that. And thanks for watching. Follow us, like and subscribe, and catch us on the next one.
Drop a comment below with a question for our master tech or engineer, and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.